Good evening, everyone. Uh, we're finally back up. Uh, the site got went down a couple weeks ago, and we've been trying to get it back up. And finally, Jack, he's my web designer, web uh, developer. He finally got it up. So thank you, Jack. All right, so let's start with S&P 500 futures. And now that we have rallied back up to this main resistance area. It looks like we're gonna take that out tomorrow, um, probably tomorrow morning, and our next resistance will probably be somewhere around this 52-week high of 1148. So, but everything is looking good. All the indicators and oscillators are pointing straight up. The CCI is going parabolic. Um, the MACD is back into the positive area. The stochastic is turning again. So that just means that once the stochastic is in the overbought area, that's when your moves start. They just start going ballistic. So let's move on to the NQ, which is the futures of NASDAQ futures. And wait a minute. Alright, the NQ here, this is probably one of the most important sectors to watch, or the indices to watch, because you have most of the high betas in the NASDAQ. So like you can see, we had already taken out that resistance, the same resistance that the S&P futures had, and now we're proceeding on the way back up to the 52-week high that we did back in the beginning of January. So excuse me. Everything's looking really good. All your indicators, oscillators, your Aaron, it's had another crossover, so now we're back into the bullish trend. And if we go to the Russell 2000 futures, looks like we're gonna be taking that 52-week highs, those 52 weeks highs. We're probably gonna be taking those out sometime this week. So 2000 stocks, that's a lot of stocks. So I'm extremely bullish on the market right now, and especially the gold sector. Let me show you real quick. This is a GLD. What I had. This is the symmetrical triangle that I had shown you before. This is a weekly on the GLD, and we broke out of the symmetrical triangle. Like you can see, we hit our first target, which was around 104, and now we're proceeding for the bigger picture, which was this ascending triangle, which I had also commented on. And on this one, we all we did was from the highs, all we did was pull back, ABC pullback. So my next target, or my target on for the GLD intermediate target, is probably going to be 124, and the next one to after that is going to be in 135, which means that it just means that we're going to be going higher. Everything's looking really bullish. The highs in the MACD are same with the highs of the price, and that's just really good for the next move. Your stochastic is turning. So far everything's looking good. Next update, I'll do an update on the stocks that I had talked to you on the last update. So thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.